Okay, Brian. So this is lesson information for 2/8/2018. You were doing a makeup lesson for the one I had to miss due to illness. We're gonna do that next Tuesday. We said right
115.
1:15, right before percussion ensemble, and you're gonna do the two new timpani etudes from the Goodman, and we're gonna go over Noonies. You're gonna work on 5 note scales and on 1 3 5 arpeggios.
Mm-hmm.
So really getting so you're doing some familiar patterns and do the Noonies a lot.
All right.
I mean, you are already,
Yeah.
but do them a lot. Keep doing what you're doing. And then for your lesson on Friday, let's get through the first page of Marimba Dances Movement 1. And let's get back to the 4 mallet technique. You need lots of reps. Do what you're doing on the Noonies for the 4 mallet technique. Maybe you pair those things together and make them a session.
Mm-hmm.
So it makes it, if you're going to do something regularly like that 5 6 times a week for a few minutes, then yeah, if you can. I mean, the Noonies could be done in the car
Yeah.
and walking to and from class, so maybe that's not a great pairing, but whatever. And when you for a week as you're working on the Edwards, also send me in advance if you can some links to some recording stuff, including some 2 and some 4 mallet ones, and tell me which ones you'd like, which seem like to you like interesting interpretations. See what you can find out about the piece. Okay, there's not a lot of information in the piece about the composer, who's an Australian composer, and there's not a whole lot about the piece itself. So, do some looking and investigating and see what you can find out. Give yourself some context. This is a real piece of music, as opposed to the etude stuff that we usually do,
Mm-hmm.
and it's an important. It's important you kind of take a different approach to it, a little more thoughtful, time intensive approach to, so you really are doing it fully informed.